Hello lovely family, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share simple and easy ways in which you can grow your hair. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really appreciate you. Today I'll be showing you my DIY hair growth spray. The natural products I'll be using includes hibiscus leaves, fennel seeds, green tea, and bay leaves. Fennel seeds is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and iron, which prevents hair loss and nourishes the hair. It strengthens the hair strands from the roots. Next, we have the hibiscus leaves. These are freshly washed hibiscus leaves, popularly known for hair growth. These are Ayurvedic herbs which has naturally occurring amino acids which produces keratin that build the hair follicles. The next is the bay leaves. Bay leaves can help to improve dry skin, dandruff, builds the hair follicles, and improves hair growth and treats hair loss. Then we have the green tea. This contains a component called epigallocatine, which stimulates hair follicles and nourishes the scalp, promotes it from dandruff, bacteria, fungus, and reduce damage. Here I am transferring all natural ingredients to the pot and I allow it to boil. Enjoy the rest of the video.